The Fault in Our Stars by John Green is a poignant love story centered around two teenagers, Hazel Grace Lancaster and Augustus Waters. Both are cancer survivors who meet at a support group. Hazel, the narrator, has thyroid cancer that has spread to her lungs, and she carries an oxygen tank to help her breathe. Augustus, whose osteosarcoma led to the amputation of one leg, attends the group to support a friend. The two bond over their experiences, shared interests, and Augustus's favorite book, An Imperial Affliction by Peter Van Houten. As their friendship deepens, Hazel and Augustus embark on a journey to meet the reclusive author in Amsterdam. Their trip is a mix of adventure, love, and self-discovery. However, upon meeting Van Houten, they are disappointed by his callousness and lack of answers regarding the book's unresolved ending. Tragedy strikes as Augustus's cancer returns, leading to heart-wrenching moments for both characters. The novel beautifully explores themes of love, loss, mortality, and the impact individuals can have on each other's lives. Hazel learns to find meaning and beauty in the midst of pain, and the story reflects on the impermanence of life. The Fault in Our Stars is a compelling and emotionally charged narrative that resonates with readers for its authentic portrayal of love in the face of adversity. The characters' struggles and triumphs make it a moving and memorable exploration of the human experience.